Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace an electrical outlet because this one is discolored and it's split because it's above a heater. So we've already turned the power off. Some people like to turn just the power to the outlet off. I prefer to turn the power to the whole house off. So we're going to take this faceplate off here. Then there's these two screws here. We're going to take them off. And if it makes you feel safer, you can always get an electrical tester and you can stick it in the plug just to make sure that the power is actually off. So now if we look here, we have to take these two screws out. Not all the way out, we're just going to back them up so that we can get these wires out. Once you have them loose enough, these wires should just pop off. Then we're going to flip it around and we're going to do the same thing for these wires and this ground wire. Okay, now that all these wires are off, I'll give you a closer look. This actually split last time I plugged something in. So we got a new one, they're only $1.50, depending on where you live. So now here's the new one. And we're just gonna go ahead and plug it in. So you want your loop to go clockwise so that when you tighten it, it pulls it around. If you do it the other way, you're actually going to back the wire right off the screw. And then you tighten it just till you see the wire kind of pull into the base of the screw there. Now we're going to do the same with our two white wires here. And you don't even have to be an electrician to do this, fairly simple as you can see. And these ones I like because the ground screw is colored so you can't get it confused. Then we're going to try and squish our wires back in there. And we line our screw back up here. I put the top one in a bit. And then we go to the bottom one. And try and, before you get it super tight, line it up so your outlet isn't crooked. They give you a little room for that. Once you're nice and snug and the plug won't move, we take our faceplate. I put the screw in first to make it easier and line it up with the hole. And we have a nice new shiny white outlet. That's all there is to it. Hopefully this was helpful to you, and please like and subscribe.